Hi, this is which is around the PCB layout is known as format symbol, and in format symbol you can see that revision history, descriptions, zone, date, these all things are available, and these all details we fill after completing our design. And in downside you can see that company address and company logo, also you can add title and part number if there is any, and few drawing details and few symbols also you can add here. So how can we create this format symbol and how can we utilize in our layout? So even before layout and after layout also you can place this format symbol. So how can we place it? And after creating your format symbol, you save in particular location to your library. So you have to select format symbol. These all format symbol you have to place in your regular library only, and you have to select. So I'm going to select format. So just select and place it, close. The size is quite smaller compared to this format symbol. And now how can we create this format symbol? So first of all, format, you have to understand that format symbol is quite similar to our title block in schematic or get schematic. Like we provide all the information regarding our schematic and company and design related into our format, like title block format. Same things we have to do in our format symbols also. So how can we create? So this is one format symbol we have created. And to create this kind of symbol, format symbol, you have to go just file, new. You have to select format symbol in drop down, and you have to provide the information, the name. I have given name ABC block. Just click OK. Now you can create here. If you want to increase the area, you can increase, and you have to create it. Before that, you can change the origin also. Depends on your requirement, the size you can add. You can create the area, and before that, you have to select where in which active layer and subclass you are going to select. So I have already selected format and outline. So you can see. So all the information like history and revisions you can add here. So this is how you can create, and you can provide the text. So text, you can select the title block. E- You can change your name. This is how. And if you want to add any kind of shape or logo, you can add any kind of shape you want to add, just add. I'm just for a sample, I'm just adding it. So already you have added symbol. Now you have to save it. Already you have saved. The name is ABC, and just go to your design. You have to select create symbol also here. Save, file, create device, not device actually. Only create symbol only you have to as I done. So just go to place option manually. ABC title block or ABC block. Just select and place it. The size is quite smaller, so only small boards can be utilize this format symbol, like small board, very small board. This is how you can create as per your requirement, and you can utilize the title block into your design.